Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow, the quick stock market analysis that we have every day evening. We would basically look at the technical charts and try to understand what happened in the market during the day, and then plan for a better trading day for the next day, which is tomorrow, December 12th, Tuesday, 2023. So we had an absolute flat close, absolute flat consolidation. What's happening? What is that consolidation ahead of a retracement or a further breakout or further rally continuation? Let's try to look at this. Is a wrap up. We'll come to this, but let's just get on the chart straight away. Here we go. We have the Nifty charts here. Let's see them plain and try to see what does the candlestick say. So this is flat close. We know that it closed just few points above, but it did make a new all-time high. So we can say this is a bullish candle. It is a flat close, but it's a green bullish candle, you can say. But look at Bank Nifty. It's very interesting. It's a gravestone doji. Doji itself is indecisive. Gravestone is extreme bearishness, right? Very high selling pressure is coming in from the 47,600 nearby zones, and that's why we have a very thin body and a gravestone, extremely bearish. But it won't be bearish confirmed if it goes below this candle's low, today's candle's low, like that. But if that works out, then a negative bearish candle comes and it closes below the 46,800, then it becomes extreme. Even more bearish, and it could begin a retracement downside in the Bank Nifty. But remember that today also Nifty made a new all-time high, and Bank Nifty also made a new all-time high at 47,500 above. Bank Nifty made it above 21,024 nearby levels. So so it's basically nothing but consolidation that is happening. If you look at, and that consolidation at the top of the trend line channel after the breakout happened. So it was vertical move, and then there is 4-5 days of consolidation that you see. Bank Nifty also, it's consolidated since the last 4 times. It attempted to break out of that, but failed. It almost touched and went as close as the top of the trend line channel where this entire also resides. So if you look at the resistance upside, it would be Fibonacci 78 extension that's coming at 21,500. That would be the major resistance upside. But before that, it has to take all the all-time high that is created today. Downside, the supports could be basically the 2850 zone where the consolidation ends and then breaks down. Right? And the gap support will come in at 2700, second support. And then the major support after that is 2300, which is again a gap. And that gap is in confluence with an exponential moving average of 20 on the daily chart. So that's upper resistance on Nifty. The Bank Nifty, if you see, the first resistance upside now would be to clear the all-time high that's made at 47,500 nearby, 573. And if that's cleared, then you have 48,000 nearby, which would again match with the 78 Fibonacci if you go from the previous low. Fibonacci extension. Downside, the supports will come in immediately at the end of the consolidation of 4 days. That's 46,500 zones. If that is breached, then we have trouble. That's a gap support as well. Then we could find support at 46,800 zones. 46,800 is also breached. Then we have 44,950, 45,000 is a gap, and 20 exponential moving average support zones. 45,300 is the exponential moving average. 45,000 is the rounding number and a gap nearby zones. So that's how it's on the downside supports. Let's just quickly wrap up what happened today now. Yeah, it was a positive close, but very flattish, 0.13 and 0.11 on the Bank Nifty. Very flattish close. The entire day it was flat and range bound, small movements up and down. But it did make a new all-time high on both indices, and Bank Nifty can is a little trouble looking like with a gravestone. Other potential reversal, and so that it's crucial. The bottom of that consolidation box that we saw, it's very crucial. That's coming That's what we'll watch out for the next day. So Fyers are buying 3,600 and then they're consecutively buying for the last 4 weeks. So which is very positive that institutional money is coming in. But today's data has not come in. Let's quickly check if it has come in. It hasn't. But today probably they might not have sold much and they might not have bought also much. That's what it looks like, considering it's a flattish day. And levels we already seen: 21k on the upside, 21,500, then 2,500 downside support, 2,700, 2,300 so support downside. Bank Nifty 47,570, the all-time high with first resistance, and 47,750, 48 nearby rounding number that zooms. Downside 47, 46,500 and 44k supports Bank Nifty. Momentum is bullish, no doubt about that. It's absolutely above the RSI and flying high and rising up on both the ties, no doubt. VIX is further spike today. Some cool-off came in last week, but it's interesting to see that the VIX is flying up when the market also is moving up, right? 3 to 5%. VIX is spiking up, and not cooling off as expected. Something probably that's a cue of some kind of indication of a pause or a reversal, retracement, consolidation, all these things. So there's a Fed meeting that's coming, a few days from now. So the VIX may be keeping it high because of that reason, not cooling off. Bollinger Bands are showing that it's an expansion on the upside. It's again bullish indications indicating that more extreme bullishness on the upside, walking on the bands could continue. Technically, charts is extremely bullish, but right now for 5 days, it's consolidation that's very much visible, and that beware of that bank is gravestone doji. So all-time highs keeps getting created. Market is bullish, no doubt. There's no question about that. Other thing is, every up move vertical has to have consolidations. Sometimes may have to have retracements as well before it can take the next leg up. Anyway, across the sector, if you see, it's green except the pharma. The pharma bullishness from the momentum perspective, also in the short term, it's not the greatest. Otherwise, all the other across in all the major sectors like the RD metal, auto, reality, right, and from the jar and the bullsons, and then flying high, extremely bullish from the momentum short term perspective. Industry heavyweights also have picked up and around the bulls from the short term, except the HTFs, except the ITC, which is momentum that slipped to the sideways. In today's performance, except the HDFC and the INFI, right, all of them close green. This is not true. All of them close green except HDFC Bank and then INFI. So that's it. That's it about the heavyweights and the US indices. If you see, it's green till at the top. It's at a wedge top. Some kind of resistance coming because it's getting closer to the all-time high. So be wary of that. But the market has been moving up and up after the inflation cool-off happened, and that's why and when our markets also started moving up. So that's just spiking a little bit, and the momentum is bullish, and rupees remaining weak, spiking up, and then getting central bank intervened, and it remains that ascending wedge top for a very long time. Crude oil is falling and falling below the 20 at 70 levels now, everything. And yeah, gold is facing resistance after making all-time high, but still at the top. Probably it may be facing so much of profit booking that it's not having enough steam to move further up. It looks like that for the first couple of days after it hit the ATH. Will hold the neckline of that and then consolidate there instead of further falling down? That'll wait and watch. So tomorrow is the Fin Nifty, financial index expiry, weekly expiry that's there. But so levels are showing that it's 21,000 to 21,400 where the highest put and call writing is seen. Put call ratio is not exactly bullish, slightly less bullish. Chart wise, if you see the Fin Nifty charts, let's quickly spend some time on that. You can see that that's also at a major resistance. Today's candle is not that great. It's a gravestone inverse hammer. Some bearish candle is what. So if it is confirming a low below the previous candle's low at 21,166, if it goes below that, it could turn out the extremely bearish and even breach the 21k also. If it is moving up, it will face the Fibonacci extension resistance at 21,400 kind of level. So 21 and 21,400 level shown the open interest makes sense, and you correlate that with the technical charts, right? So that's it. Yeah, so there's no time for value investing because it's already making all-time highs, and vertical moves have happened. So don't invest for a long term. Gotta wait for the tips to come in, but how many investing can be done, of course, right? So from the trader point of view, the direction is very clear, but be wary of profit booking and the consolidation at the very top. Market needs to consolidate and market needs to correct before it can make the next leg. So be cautious about that. And there's a Fed event that's coming tomorrow and day after. There will be volatility. Fed events are major events, and market may react. Foreign institutions may react accordingly, and our market will make big moves. So be wary of that. That's all I have. So if you're not subscribed and watching this, please subscribe and share to friends and colleagues, and so that reaches out the max, and it will be helpful for us to have subscriptions also to keep us stay motivated, keep doing this every day. Otherwise, manage your position size. We are in a directional move, but there will be small retracement that may come in. So that may be buying opportunity for investors, and then the only way to deal with that is to study the probabilities of support resistance using the different techniques that we have been discussing. Watch out the playlist of the technical analysis, and you'll get a lot of tips on how to do that in addition to the videos that we have daily. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning. Bye bye.